Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Deadass Disco game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce or change your camera shaking intensity within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Deadass Disco on your device, and after you complete the basic tutorial level, you can start playing the game right away. Now, if you wish to reduce the intensity of the camera shaking within the game, then simply pause your game, and from the pause menu go into settings. Now, from settings, make sure that you are within the gameplay tab, and inside the gameplay tab, you will find the camera shaking strength option. By default, this is set to about 100. You can double this by going up to 200%, or you can reduce this by moving to the left. And if you set this at 0, then there will be no camera shake at all. So choose your desired level, and then you can simply go back and your changes will automatically be saved. Once you are done, and now you can continue to play your game with your chosen level of camera shaking intensity. If you wish to change this at any point of time in the future once again, just follow the same steps. Pause your game, go into settings, and from gameplay, you can once again change your camera shaking strength. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your camera shaking intensity on the Deadass Disco game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.